Hello everyone, welcome back to our another lecture of Python tutorial. This is basically our last lecture. In this lecture, we are going to practice some programming questions so that we can understand all the basics that we have already covered in our previous lectures, and so that we can get our hands-on practice on that concepts also. So, let's get started with the first question. Our first question will be first, I'll comment here. Okay. So write a program to input it. I'll increase the size for you little bit. Okay. So write a program to input the age of a person and check if he is eligible for vote or not. Okay. So now let's do this program. So question says write a program to input the age of a person. First, input the age of a person. So this is asking for a user input. So we are going to first use the input function here. Then we have to use if condition, if he is eligible for vote or not. Okay, so let's do this. X equal to int input, enter the enter any number. Okay, so yes, press enter here. Now we are going to write the if condition here. If x greater than equal to 18. Okay, if x is greater than equal to 18 means if x is greater than 18 or equal to the 18 means if someone's age is exact 18 years old, so that he is also eligible for voting, and if he is more than 18 he is also eligible for vote. Okay, now colon, press enter, indentation here, print double quotes, eligible for vote, press enter, else condition, print not eligible for vote. Okay, so now let's run this code here. See, we are writing here 18 eligible for vote. We are writing 25 eligible for vote. We are writing here 11 not eligible for vote. Okay, so this is how this code works. Now we'll comment this out. Let's move to another question. So we have another question here. Okay, so write a program to input the basic salary of a person and calculate the gross salary. Okay, so basically in this we have to like first input the basic salary of a person and we have to find the gross salary of that. Okay, so for what is the basic formula of finding a gross salary is basic salary into TA plus DA. Okay, now let's find out what's TA and DA here also. So first we'll write here basic underscore salary equal to int input enter the basic salary. Okay, press enter here. Now we have to check the basic salary for TA and DA. So we'll write here if condition. If basic salary is greater than 20,000. Okay, so TA will be 0.25 into basic salary. So this is the basically formula. Okay, and DA will be 0.20 into basic salary. Okay, we have else means if basic salary is greater than 20,000. Suppose I my basic salary is 30,000. So the condition will enter into if loop. So then it will calculate TA. Okay. So how it calculate 0.25 into 30,000, which is my basic salary. Okay, and then DA equal to 0.20 into 30,000. So that will find TA and DA both in if condition. Okay, so we'll get the both the value of TA and DA. Now we have else statement here. TA equal to 0.20 into basic salary and DA is 0.15 into basic salary. Okay, so now we are out of if loop. So we'll write here gross salary equal to basic salary into I sorry basic salary plus TA plus DA. Okay, so this is our whole code here. At last we'll write here print for the value gross salary equal to gross underscore salary. Okay, so now let's read this code again. First, we have initialized a variable named basic salary in which we have written the input function so that the user can enter his basic salary. If for a basic condition, if a basic salary is greater than 20,000, so the if loop will execute. If the basic salary of a person is less than 20,000, so the loop will goes in else condition and else will be executed. So in else, TA is multiplied by 0.20 into basic salary and DA is 0.15 into basic salary. Okay. After that, we have to find the gross salary of that person. So what's the formula of gross salary is gross salary is equal to basic salary plus TA plus DA. Okay, so let's run this code. First, I'll write my basic salary is 20. I'll write here 25,000 or 30. I'll write 30,000 here. Okay, see, gross salary equal to 4,04300. Okay, 43,000. Yes, my bad. So now if I write here 1,000. So gross salary will be 1350.0. Okay. So this is how this code works. Okay. So now we'll move to the another coding practice. Okay. So now we have another question here that is write a program to input 4-digit number and print its reverse and print its reverse. So what it means, like we have to write any 4-digit number. Suppose we have written 1250. And what the reverse of this number is? 0521. Okay, so we have to write code for this. Okay, so first we have to input the number. So first we'll initialize the variable x. Then I'll write here int input, enter the number. Okay, temp. So for this, we have initialized the temporary variable. Okay, so that whatever we are going to make any changes, the changes are a temporary variable, so it will not affect the original variable. Okay, so we are writing temp equal to x, means the value of x will be shifted towards the temporary variable. Okay, so now we are going to make changes using the temp. So we have initialized here reverse equal to 0 here. Okay, at start, we don't know what's the value of the reverse. So we'll initialize the reverse with the 0 first. Okay. So now we'll write here while loop. While temp not equal to 0 means whatever the value of temp is. Okay. This code will run until the value of temporary variable is not 0. Okay. So we have initialized another d equal to temp modulus 10. Now, what is temp modulus 10? This modulus 10 extracts the last digit of a number. Suppose we are writing here 1250 and I'll write here 1250 modulus 10. Okay, so it will give me the value 0 because the last digit of that number is 0. Okay, so it will extract the last digit. This modulus 10 extracts the last digit of a number. Okay, so if I write a d equal to 10 modulus 10 means I have extracted the last digit. Now we have reverse here, reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus d. Now what it means? See, we have written here reverse into 10 plus d. So let's understand if I have 1250. Okay, so my temp is now 1250. Okay, now reverse is 0 here, but we have written the updated value of reverse, that is reverse into 10 plus d, which is reverse equal to 0 into 10 is 0 plus, now what is d? That is also 0 because modulus 10 1250, okay, is what is extracted the zeroth last element of that number. So that is 0 plus 0, reverse is equal to 0 here. Okay, then we have written here temp equal to temp float division 10. Okay, and at last we have written here print reverse. Okay, now let's move to another part, temp equal to temp modulus 10. So this will divide the remaining part. Okay, and shift this number will be shifted towards the first place and this will be at the last place like this, 0, then 5, then 2, then 1, like this. Okay, so now let's run this code. Okay, see, we have written here 1250, we have 5 to 1 because wait, if we write here 1158, see, 8511, that 0 is divided by 10, so that's why we get the answer as 1521. So if we write another number here, that is 741, uh, or we can write 1212, so we'll get 2121. Okay, so our next code will be write a, let me comment out this code. We have another code similar to this one. Okay, but logic is same, only one thing is changed in this code. So write a program to input 4-digit number and check if it is palindrome or not. Okay, so let's write the program. I'll copy this one. Wait, I'll write the fresh one for your understanding. X equal to int input, enter any 4-digit number. Okay, then we'll write here temp equal to X. Then we'll write here reverse equal to 0. Then while temp not equal to 0, d equal to temp modulus 10. Then we have reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus d, like this. Then we have temp equal to temp floor division 10. Okay, then we have print reverse. Now our question is check if it is palindrome or not. So basically, if the reverse is equal to the original number, the reversed number is equal to the original number, then it is said to be as palindrome number. So we'll write here if reverse equal to x as the our basic input number, like this, then print number is palindrome. Okay, then else print number is not palindrome. Okay, so now let's check this first. I write here 1 2 1 2. So this is 2 1 2 1. No, it is not palindrome number. Okay, so if I write here 1 1 1 1, number is palindrome because its reverse is also 1 1 1 and the number is also 1 1 1. So that is palindrome number. Okay, so let me comment out this also. Okay, so now let's move toward the another question. Problem number 5. Okay, so our fifth problem statement is Armstrong number. So let's write the code for Armstrong number. Write a program to input 3-digit number and check if it is Armstrong number or not. Okay, so we'll first initialize input function. input, enter the number, like this. Then again temporary equal to n, then s equal to 0. Okay, so then we have while loop here, while temp not equal to 0, r equal to temp modulus 10. Then we have s equal to s plus r of cube, then temp equal to temp floor division 10. Print this. Okay, then we have print sum of digits of a number equal to comma s. Okay, it's small s. Yeah. So if we write here if loop, if s equal to n, print here number is Armstrong, else print number is not Armstrong. Okay, so now let's run this code. Okay, we'll write the number here first 153. So see, sum of digits of a number is 153. So number is Armstrong. If we write here 652, so sum of digits of a number is 349. So number is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So basically we have to check if the sum of the digits of that number is equal to the that inputted number from the user are equal. If they are equal, then the number is Armstrong. If they are not equal, then the number is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So let's move towards our program number 6. Okay. I'll write it in new file. Wait. Let me write it in the new file. Okay. I'll name the file as Python practice and okay, practice6.py. So our sixth code is write a program to input write a program to input 4-digit number and print sum of its digits. Okay, n equal to int input enter any four digit number. Temp equal to, so basically some of these types of programs are similarly same, like we have to create temporary number in this. Okay, then s equal to 0, then reverse equal to 0, all are of similar types. Okay, right, I'll write here s equal to 0. Okay, while temp not equal to 0, then r equal to temp modulus 10, then we have s equal to s plus r. Okay, then temp equal to temp floor division 10. So we'll write here empty print for the spacing. Then we'll write here print sum of digits of a number equal to s, like this. So now run, let's run this code. 1 2 3 4. See, sum of digits of a number is 10, like 4 plus 2 6, then 1 plus 1 7, then plus 3 10. Okay, so this is how we can write the sum of digits individually. And okay, so now let's move to another practice 7.py. So our next question is write a program to generate Fibonacci series up to the size inputted by the user. Okay, so first we'll initialize the integer n equal to int, then again input, then enter size. To what size you are writing the Fibonacci series? Okay, so we'll write here like this, then press enter. A comma b equal to 0 comma 1. Then we have print a comma b comma and equal to this. Okay, so we have given end because the space will be given both the answers at the end. Then we'll write here for loop for x in range for x in range 2 comma n. Okay, then colon, then c equal to a plus b. Okay, then print c comma and equal to, like this. I'll put double quotes and space here. Then we'll shift the uh, variables a equal to b and b equal to c. Okay, now let's check this. We'll write 5. See, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so if I write here size of 10, you can see like 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, and 21 plus 13 is 34. So Fibonacci series is what? It's the sum of the previous one. Like both previous are added and the the sum is out will be get executed. Let's move to another practice question. Practice number 8.py. Okay, so we have write a program to find sum of even and odd numbers from 1 to 100, like this. Okay, so sum underscore even equal to, let's say, 0. Sum underscore odd equal to 0. Okay, so for n in range 1 comma 101, so we have written 101 because we have to run the code till 100. So I have told in previous lectures that the last range will not get counted, that is 101 minus 1 till 100. Okay, so that's why I have written 101. If I write here 100, so it will run to 99, not 100. Okay, then if n modulus 2 equal to 0, wait, like the if n modulus 2 equal to 0, then sum underscore even equal to plus equal to n. So this is basically we have used assignment operator here. Okay, then else sum underscore odd plus equal to n. So I'll write print here sum of even numbers from 1 to 100, sum underscore even here. Okay, again we'll print the same statement, so it will print till odd. Okay, so now let's run this code and see the output. See, sum of even numbers from 1 to 100 is 2550, and sum of even numbers, oh wait, sum of odd numbers from 1 to 100 is 2 2500. My bad. Okay, so let's run this again. See, 2500 and 2550, sum of odd number is sum of even numbers. Okay, practice 9.py. So let's move towards the ninth code, that is write a program to input the price of an item and calculate discount as per the given criteria. Okay, so we'll write here price equal to int input, enter the price of an item equal to, then we'll print empty print here. So now let's use the if condition here. If price greater than equal to 5000, sorry, so if price greater than equal to 5000 and price less than 10,000, means The condition is if the price is greater than 5,000 and less than 10,000, means the price range of the price is between 5,000 and 10,000. Okay. So if the price range is between them, then the code will run. Okay. So then the discount will be applied. Discount equal to 0.20 into price. So we have put 20% of discount at that price. Okay. Then Alif price equal to greater than equal to 3,000 and price less than 3,000. So it will print discount equal to 0.15 into price. Okay. So this will return as 15% discount on the item. Again, we have Alif, then price greater than 1500 and price less than 3,000. Then we have discount as 0.10 into price. Okay. Then Alif price less than 1500. Then we have discount as 0 into price, which is no discount. Okay. Then we'll print here outside the loop, print price of an item equal to price like this. Okay. P is small. Then we have another print here, print discount of an item equal to discount like this. Okay. So now let's run this code. So enter the price of an item. We have written 5,000 for example. See, so price of an item is 5,000 and the discount of an item is 1,000 rupees. So we'll get the item for just 4,000 rupees. Okay. So this is the code of getting a discount and input the price of an item and getting the discount here. Okay. Our next code is .py 10th code. Write a program to input marks of a student in 5 subjects and calculate. Okay. So sub 1, I'll write how many subjects? 5 subjects now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sub, wait. I'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Sub 1 equal to int input, enter the. So basically, this VS Code makes the work efficient and consumes less time. So I'll prefer to use VS Code instead of Python ideally shell. If you're a beginner, then you can use Python ideally shell. And if you want more efficiency work, then you can use VS Code also. Okay, enter the marks for subject. Okay, subject 1. So for editing, I'll just change the numbers 3, 4, and 5. Here also 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So now we have total marks here. Total marks equal to sub 1 plus sub 2 plus sub 3 plus sub 4 plus sub 5. All the subjects we have added here. Then we have to find percentage. Percentage. Okay. Equal to total marks. Then total marks. Wait. Okay. Divide by 500 into 100, like this. This is how you can find percentage. If percentage greater than equal to 91, so we will give the grade as A1. Okay. And if percentage greater than equal to 81, we'll write here grade equal to A2. Okay. So we have written grade A2 here. Okay. Then Alif again percentage will percentage is let's say greater than equal to 71. Okay. So we'll give the grade them as grade equal to B1. Okay. So Alif again if percentage we can say greater than equal to 61, then the grade is B2. Okay. Alif percentage greater than equal to 51, then the grade will be C1, like this. Okay. Else, if the person doesn't met any requirements of these grades, so the else will work and it will be considered as fail. Okay. Oh wait, it will be considered fail. Yeah. Okay. So now let's print them all. Print total underscore. Okay, it's just a print statement. My bad. Space, comma, total underscore marks. Okay, enter. Then again print percentage, comma, percentage, comma, the percentage sign. Okay, then again print grade in double quotes, comma, grade. Okay, so now let's run this code. So let's write the marks for subjects 1, that is 100. Suppose I got 100 in first subject. In second subject I got 98. In third I got 99. In fourth I got 95. and in fifth I got 92. Okay, see, so total marks is 484 and my percentage is 96.8% and my grade is A1. Now if I'll write here, let's make the percentage lower, 85, 55, 42, 79, then 11. Suppose, see, I've got total marks as 272, percentage is 54.4006, and grade is C1. Okay, so let's make another condition for the failure ones. If I write 12, 14, then 25, then 26, then 50 here. See, so total marks is 127, percentage is 25.4. So our grade is failed. Okay, so this is how this whole input marks of a student works in real life also. So let's move to another practice statement, practice 11.py here. So our next statement will be write a program to input any three numbers and print the greatest among the three. Okay, so again 1 2 3, num1 equal to int input, enter the first number. Okay, so now let's change this third, second, like this, num2 and num3. Okay, first, second, and third number. So let's check the using if condition. If num1 greater than equal to num2 and num1 greater than equal to num3. Okay, greatest equal to num1. Then we have elif num2 greater than equal to num1 and num2 greater than num3, greater than equal to num3, like this. Okay, greatest equal to num2, then else greatest equal to num3. So we'll print here the greatest number among num1, comma num2 and num3 is greatest. Okay, so now let's run this. So we have written first number as 50, then we'll write 79, then we'll write 400. See, the greatest number among 50, 79, and 400 is 400. So this is how we can find the greatest among any limit of number you want. Okay, so let's move towards the 12th program. Okay, so our next practice is 12th program. Okay, so our 12th program is write a program to initialize a list L and swap the first half of list with second half. Okay, so now we are going to start with the list questions. Okay, so let's start. First, we have to initialize a list L equal to 20, comma 0, comma minus 22, comma 23, comma minus 5, comma minus 9. Then we have 66. Okay, just a random list. So in which we have included all zeroth value, negative value, and positive value also. Okay, now print original list. Okay, then we have to print L, then x equal to len of L mid equal to x by 2, j equal to mid, I equal to 0. Then we have while I less than j and j less than x. So basically it is L of I comma L of j equal to L of j comma L of I. Okay, so I equal to I plus 1. Then we have j equal to j plus 1. So outside loop will print empty print, then print new list like this, then print L. Okay, so now let's run this code. Yeah, see, original list is 20, 0, minus 22, 23, minus 5, minus 9, minus, sorry, 66. Okay, this. So now new list is 23, minus 5, minus 9, 66, 0, minus 22, and 20. So we have swap the first half of list with the second half. Okay, so next, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so now let's move to another question or another practice, that is practice 13.py. Okay, so our question is write a program to initialize with I yeah, initialize a list A and transfer it. Okay, so now let's start with the code here. So first let's initialize a list equal to 11 comma 5 comma 52 comma 47 comma 58 comma 56 95 1 2 3 5 4 7 and 2. Okay, now we have another list here B, and we have C, Okay, then we have D. Okay, like this. So x equal to len of a here, then for I in range, okay, of x, if a of I modulus 3 equal to 0 and a of I greater than equal to 1 and a of I less than equal to 20. Okay, so now we have b dot append of a of I. Okay, then we have elif a of I modulus 5 equal to 0 and a of I greater than equal to 21. Okay, and a of I that is less than equal to 40. Okay, so now we have c dot append here like this. So now what we have to append a of I here. Okay, so we are just distributing and transfer the list into another three lists, that is B, C, and D. Okay, then we have another elif condition here. Elif a of I greater than equal to 41 and a of I less than equal to 60. Wait, a of I less than equal to 60. Okay, then we have D dot append a of I, then we have to print original list equal to A like this. Then we have to print list contains multiple of 3 comma that is B. Okay, then we have to print list contains multiple of 5 comma C. Okay, then we have at last print elements in range 41 to 60. Okay, so we have then it is D. So now let's run this code and see what happens. So we have original list 11, 5, 52, 47, 58, 56, 95, 123, 547 and 2. Okay, then list contains multiple of 3. Wait, I have written here c dot append a of I. Let me check the code once. B dot append a of I, then C dot append a of I, then D dot append a of I. Then where's the problem? Let's figure it out. List contains multiple of 3 in range 1 to 20, that is B. Okay, and then C we have, and then we have D here. Okay, Now let's run this code and see what happens. Okay, so they both are empty list. So nothing is kept, no one is the multiple of 3 and 5 in this. So that's why elements in the range 41 to 60 are 52, 47, 58, and 56. So that's the basic criteria of this. Because see, we have written here modulus of 3, that the elements present in the A list are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, if any element is divisible by 3, then it will gets append into the B list. And if any element is modulus by 5 or the multiple of 5, then it will be appended into the C list. But in a given list, there is not a single element which is directly divisible by 3 or 5. Okay, so that's why we have B and C list as empty list. So we have D list as the elements in the range of from 41 to 60. Okay, so these all are practice questions, and I hope you will like my video. Okay, and I wish your Python journey is more helpful, and you have learned good experience from me. Okay, so I wish you all the best. So thanks for being through this all Python programming journey, and I hope you will practice more and more questions. So here is the end of our Python programming series, and thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you and bye bye.